oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko Hair by clippers Hair by clippers Hair by clippers Hair by clippers Confidence said muchikumi we give it out tetuleka you with the best to none anyawa kana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga tuli ba big baller shot callers tukola kwa babazewulira so high in the sky we know how to make it glam and look so splash it everybody clippers we the best 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 hair by clippers 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 oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko hair by clippers hair by clippers hair by clippers hair by clippers we tolina kyongamba number one you know a big thing this bano be ba number one buli kimu bakikola from the heart obukugu bwa pulo temuli muyiga bonna bakiso nobody can ever run them crochet master mubi hima run them Jemviri bakubwa balinga high grade kwe basoma all of them are styles them are do for you them are make you look nice and sexy too yeah for the beautiful woman yeah. Come around here by clippers yeah. They are by clippers fire Dolina chongamba clippers fire yeah. Oh na na Dolina chongamba Dolina chongamba Dolina chongamba Dolina chongamba Dolina chongamba Dolina yeah Master Morris Zabadabuza nzenyabo akavideo kakoleddewa Forgive me if I'm too bold nayo nyumide gwe nokamala Bakutonye kaviri kulya kulaba kakwegomba ofananye African Queen manicure pedicure checho wali ewamu bisidi crochet master bali professional mu byenviri bakugunyo if you wanna look good come and visit bakukola kaviri nola bikanga Queen all in it like expected so good and fancy bakukola kaviri nola bikanga mutini all in it like expected so good and elegant woman.
Alongside Jambo go Rodney.
Valentina Ministers Village
Alongside Jambo go Rodney.
Here by keepers.
He got the touch of a cricket master. Yeah. Oh no.
Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongoyaka, yeah. Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chidayo. Engeri jonyo mye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master. Crochet master, he got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris, yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master. Morris, your crochet master. Morris. Crochet master, crochet master, no, 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 touch of a crochet master. It's so good, yeah, yeah. No, no, yeah. Easy life in the twaze kuchigonza. MDC, hey, all bubu yaze kutigonza. Yeah, yeah. Easy combing, kunacho hey azigonza. Yeah. No sanity, feeling I told in a pain. In a shampoo, condition and a treatment. Busy go be abatona bakulu and check this. Bigonza na kabidi no nevikanyiriza. Bikola kunacho straight hey and bidis on for your hair, yeah. Ne MDC, yeah. Holding on natural hair, MDC. Over straight hair, MDC. This one for you, is it come for you, yeah. Holding on natural hair, MDC. Over straight hair, yeah. This one for you, is it come for you, yeah. This one for you, is it come for you? Yeah. MDC, easy come. MDC, easy MDC, this one for you, is it come for you? Yeah. For the ones that make us smile every day, pour their hearts in all they do every minute. Work so hard for us to be so bold. Stand tall. We appreciate you. We love you. We say thank you. Yeah, we say we are here for you. All our lives we've been waiting for this moment. We need like expected. We're here for you. We are here for you. Expected. We're here for you.